If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 supports chargers or power adapters that have 100 watts or more, then the answer is both yes and no, and it actually depends on your expectation. So if you have a charger or power adapter and it has 100 watts or more, and if you're wondering if you can use it to charge the phone, then yes, you can easily use them. You should still be able to charge your Z Flip 8 with such a charger. However, if you are wondering if the 100 watts charger or power adapter is going to increase the charging speed over a charger that has 25 watts, then the answer is no. And the reason why I say 25 watts is simply because the phone can use 25 watts at most. So if you already have a charger or power adapter that has 25 watts or more, and you consider upgrading it, if you are thinking about purchasing another charger, but this time a one that has 100 watts or more, and you just want to increase the charging speed, then unfortunately it won't work because the phone cannot actually use 100 watts at the same time. So it can only use 25 at most. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.